Error codes P0416, P0417, and P0418 all signal electrical faults in the secondary air injection system but target different components. P0416 indicates an open circuit in switching valve B, P0417 indicates a shorted circuit in that same valve, and P0418 identifies a malfunction in the air pump relay control circuit. While the first two codes focus on valve connectivity issues, P0418 specifically points to a failure in the relay that powers the air pump itself. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix these error codes. Method A, the air injection pump. The air injection pump is located at the front of the engine, with a serpentine belt wrapped around it. First, carefully remove the air injection pump from your engine. Visually inspect the pump's pipe and electrical connector for any damage. Then, use a multimeter to test the pump. The standard resistance should be close to 0 ohms. If you get a high resistance reading, this indicates the air injection pump is faulty and needs to be replaced. Method B, the oxygen sensor. Oxygen sensors are mounted directly onto the exhaust pipe, near the catalytic converter. Begin by locating the specific sensor that is responding too slowly due to age or malfunction. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.